back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY plastic surgery video. No, we are not going under the knife, and no, I did not go under the knife. If you've seen my natural bare face before on my channel, you'll know that I don't look like this. My lips are a little bit smaller, my eyes are smaller, yada yada. So if you want to know how I achieved this plastic surgery type of look, then please keep on watching. But before we get on with the video, don't forget to subscribe and push your bell notifications to notify you whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to follow me on any other social medias, I'll have that floating around the screen as well as linked down below in the description box. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. So I've separated out my beauty products in terms of different procedures that you could do on your face. So I want to start out with the lips. If you want bigger lips, this is the lip combo that I'm currently wearing, and that works every time for me to make my lips juicy and bigger. Yes, I have been blessed a little bit for bigger lips. I don't really have small lips, but at the same time, this lip combo makes my lips bigger, juicier, and looks like I have lip filler. So the three products that I use for this lip combo is Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the color Feisty, a MAC Bullet matte lipstick in the color Taupe, and the Makeup Revolution and Bratz collaboration lip gloss, and this is the Sasha one. They had several other ones for all the different Bratz, and this one is the Sasha. I believe you can use any other one too, but I only bought the Sasha collection. You would think that I would go with the liquid lipstick to outline my lips, but actually I go in with the MAC matte lipstick first to outline the top. So I kind of overline, I definitely overline a lot using the MAC lipstick. So kind of like the shape of the lipstick kind of helps to make your lips curved and make it rounder. I found that if you make your lips, more of like a circular shape, it makes it look poutier, makes it look bigger, makes it look more like Bratz doll, if that's the kind of look you're going for. And then I go in with the darker liquid lipstick. You can use any brown liquid lipstick. I have other ones, but I found out the color Feisty is like the perfect shade of brown for me. I will take this liquid lipstick and I will outline just the bottom lip part, the outer part of my bottom lip, and then I'll like press my lips together, until it's blended and seamless on both the top and the bottom lip. And then once that's done, you can leave it like that. But if you want the full Bratz doll effect with the big lips, then you cannot not go in with some gloss. And how fitting to get the Bratz lips, you go in with the Bratz gloss. So this one is I believe a plumping lip gloss. I don't use this because of the plumping lip gloss. You can use any lip glosses. The reason why I use this one is because I really like the color. It goes well with this lip combo, as well as the thickness. You are going to need like a goopy lip gloss if you want your lips to be juicy and big. It can't be a very lightweight and light lip gloss. You're gonna have to have like a goopy one that puts on a layer. If you can't pick this up, another really good affordable lip gloss that I love is the Essence clear lip gloss or high shine gloss. I would get that. That one's very inexpensive and a really good gloss. The only thing is, obviously, because it's clear, it does get a little gnarly after you've used it a few times, because you're putting in on top of like brown lipstick and then dunking it back into your clear lip gloss. So, but besides that, if you can't find this, go get that. And if you do find this, well, then use this. All right, the next beauty product or the next surgery that I do is the lifted Gigi Hadid look. So this is kind of like a two-part section for me to get the full effect. So obviously the Gigi Hadid look is like that thing where you get surgery where you like pull up your temples or something like that, like crazy ridiculous thing. And for me, what I use to kind of get that look, the first product that I like to use, this is a little messy, but is the Dragon Beauty Face Powder, Transformation Face Powder. Now this one has 2 brightening powders inside of it, like this. As you can see, I've hit pan in them because I literally use this every freaking day. And this is amazing. It does work with my skin tone, so if your skin tone is the same as mine or lighter, this will work for you, in my opinion. So basically what I do is I'll mix the two and I'll put it on my forehead, my chin, and then I will also put it in the inner corners as well as right on the outer part of my eyes, going upwards like this, to make it look like my face is being lifted. I know that there is like a concealer method to lift your face, and that is a good way to get the lifting look. I did do something similar to that on my TikTok and Instagram reel, but to get that full effect after you've put powder on your face and setting spray and everything, going in with this will enhance it even more, believe me. Because I feel like sometimes if you go in with the concealer to do the Gigi Hadid look and method, after putting bronzer, blush, powder, it kind of gets lost in the sauce. But if you go in with this at the top, on top of it, to give even more of a lifting, it works out really good. Now you have to again make sure that you put it in the points that I showed earlier. So yeah, I would highly recommend this. It's really nice. Now if you are a deeper complexion, like deeper than my skin tone, I'm not sure how well this would work for you. I have seen other girls that are deeper complexion than me that say that they do like this product, so it might work for you, it might not. But I'm just saying that this is one of my go-to holy grail products that I like to use to give that Gigi Hadid look. The next item that I like to do to kind of lift my eyes to get that cat eye effect, I call it kind of like the Ariana Grande effect, and that is a liquid liner. The liquid liner that I use is the NYX Epic Ink Liner, and it is a felt tip. What I like to do is just make a big wing starting from right underneath my eye, instead of starting from right at the corner of my eye, because it gives my eye it gives the illusion that I have a bigger eye, so it looks like I got surgery again to make my eyes look bigger. If you want to see in depth of how I do make my eyes look bigger, I do have a YouTube video on that. I'll have that up somewhere up right here, as well as linked down below in the description box if you want to go check that out. I know people probably are going to say liquid liner, everybody has a liquid liner, it's not necessarily a DIY plastic surgery, but actually it is, because if you just shortened your liner, if you don't do a wing, or if you just do an inner corner wing, it completely changes your eye shape. So it's pretty up there for me in terms of like having surgery on your eyes. Like, you can always change it. I usually only go for like having my eyes look bigger because I like that look, but if one day I don't feel like doing that, if I just took off this wing liner, my eyes look completely different, you know what I mean? So yeah, I would highly recommend this product. You can use any black liquid liner, but this one has been my go-to, my favorite, and my holy grail. The next plastic surgery that I like to achieve with makeup is like a smaller, more chiseled face or chiseled jaw. So I have a very circular face. If you've seen me without makeup, or even if you look at me right now, I have a pretty circular face, but I do like to kind of enhance like the cheekbones and, you know, enhance the jawline. So in order to achieve that, I do use 2 different products. They are both from Morphe, and I am in love with this combo. I cannot live without one. I just can't. So this is the Dimension Effect Contouring Stick from Morphe. One that I get is in the shade Effect 18. I guess they're in numbers, but yeah, it's a pretty dark shade. I literally bought this maybe like a year ago, or no, I bought this over a year ago, and I haven't had to repurchase this yet. This one comes with so much product. Like, I'm telling you, I bought this like over a year ago, and I still have this much product. Like, I swear to you, it probably came out like this. Like, it's very inexpensive. I highly recommend it. It's so nice, very easy to blend, and I feel like it has a good mixture of a cool tone and warm tone to get the chiseled look as well as the bronzed look. And then the next product that I use is kind of like, this one I have for a while as well, but it's kind of like scratched off. But this is the Morphe Glamour Bronze in the shade Trailblazer, and this is what it looks like. Obviously I hit pan on it. It is a big pan, you guys. Oh my god, but this is such a beautiful bronzer. I am in love with this bronzer. So obviously, if you're not my skin tone, I would definitely look at these two products in different shades. But if you are my skin tone or close to my skin tone, if you use these products to contour and bronze, honey, you will never go back. You will never go back. Do you know how many bronzers I have chilling in my makeup drawers that I barely even touch ever since I bought these? Oh my god, it's insane. So where I would place these on the face to get the plastic surgery look is I'll put it on my, like, right above the hollows of my cheeks, and then I'll put it on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose. I like a button nose, so I'll put it around the bottom of my nose like a circle, and then I put it on the jawlines right here. And then to add to the lifted look even more, I would also go in with the cream contour stick and put it right here and then blend it out so it kind of lifts it. So using this with your concealer method and then using the Dragon Beauty brightening powder, oh my gosh, the difference is insane. You will have people saying that you got plastic surgery done, okay, even though you didn't. And for me, the bronzers, this bronzer I only use to bronze. I don't use to contour. For a powder contour, I do use other products. So for this one, I would put it right here to bronze my cheeks, and then on my forehead to bronze my forehead, and a little bit underneath my neck. I don't really use it on my jawline. I use like I said, a cool tone contouring powder to kind of chisel my jawline, but this is more of just to bronze. So that was all of my holy grail beauty products that I love to use to achieve the DIY plastic surgery look. I promise you, if you get any of these products and then try it out, someone's gonna think that you got something done on your face. Believe me, okay? So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what other makeup videos you would like to see from me next, and I'll definitely get to filming that for you guys. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and I cannot wait to see you guys next time.